Arizona Motorcycle Fines Limits Test.
Question 1. If an Arizona driver fails to pay a fine or appear in court following a traffic citation, his or her license will be automatically suspended
until the matter is settled. For 6 months. For 60 days. For 30 days.
Answer.
Until the matter is settled.
Question 2. 2 convictions of aggressive driving within a 24-month period will result in a Class 1 misdemeanor conviction and license suspension for
2 years, 9 months, 6 months, 1 year.
Answer.
2 years.
Question 3. 2 convictions of aggressive driving within a 24-month period will result in a Class 1 misdemeanor conviction and license suspension for
2 years, 9 months, 6 months, 1 year.
Answer.
1 year.
Question 4. An Arizona driver holding a Class G endorsed driver's license may transport passengers under the age of 18.
1, 2, 3. None.
Answer.
1.
Question 5. A parent or legal guardian who gives an Arizona driver who is under the age of permission to obtain a license or permit can cancel it at any time.
17, 15, 18, 16.
Answer.
18.
Question 6. It is a Class 2 misdemeanor in the state of Arizona to have an open container of alcohol of any kind
in the console, in the back seat, anywhere in the passenger compartment, in the driver's seat.
Answer.
Anywhere in the passenger compartment.
Question 7. If an Arizona driver is involved in an accident, which of the following pieces of information should be exchanged?
Driver's license number, insurance company name and policy number, contact information. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 8. What is the legal back limit in the state of Arizona for drivers under the age of 21?
None. 0.05%. 0.03%. 0.01%.
Answer.
None.
Question 9. Who must be in a vehicle operated by a young Arizona driver who holds only a learner's permit?
A licensed driver with an A, B, C, or D endorsement. An adult driver over the age of 21. An adult with a valid Arizona driver's license. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 10. During which of the following age ranges is an Arizona driver issued a graduated Class G driver's license?
15-17, 16-17, 16-18, 16-21.
Answer:
16-18.
Question 11. What must an Arizona driver do to convert his or her graduated driver's license into unrestricted driver's license?
Pay a duplicate license fee of $100. It will be automatically converted. Pay a duplicate license fee of $12. Call the MVD.
Answer:
Pay a duplicate license fee of $12.
Question 12. Is the removal of your driving privileges in the state of Arizona?
Cancellation, annulment, suspension, revocation.
Answer:
Revocation.
Question 13. How long will a graduated driver's license be suspended for upon conviction of 2 traffic violations?
3 months, 2 months, 6 months, 1 month.
Answer:
3 months.
Question 14. Which of the following is the minimum penalty for a first DUI offense in the state of Arizona?
10 days in jail and a fine of $1,250. 10 days in jail. 3 days in jail. 3 days in jail and a fine of $500.
Answer:
10 days in jail and a fine of $1,250.
Question 15. Which of the following is the sentence for an Arizona driver's first conviction of road rage?
Must attend traffic survival school and license suspension for 90 days. License suspension for 30 days. Must attend traffic survival school and license suspension for 30 days. Fine of $500.
Answer:
Must attend traffic survival school and license suspension for 30 days.
Question 16. In Arizona, any trace of alcohol or drugs in the system of a driver under the age of 21, no matter how small, will result in driver's license suspension of
3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years.
Answer:
2 years.
Question 17. If an Arizona driver is involved in an automobile crash, he or she is required by law to
call his or her insurance agent. Call 911. Stop and render aid. Call the Motor Vehicles Division.
Answer:
Stop and render aid.
Question 18. Which of the following vehicles must be covered by an auto insurance policy in the state of Arizona?
A vehicle used for business. A small SUV. A senior citizen's car. All of these answers are correct.
Answer:
All of these answers are correct.
Question 19. When you apply for an Arizona driver's license, you are automatically giving consent to
have your home searched for illegal drugs. Release your medical records to the state. Undergo chemical testing. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
Undergo chemical testing.
Question 20. If he or she has not completed an approved driver's education course, how many hours of driving experience must an Arizona driver with a learner's permit accumulate before obtaining a graduated driver's license?
40 hours. 30 hours. 15 hours. 20 hours.
Answer.
30 hours.
Question 21. An Arizona driver holding a graduated, class, driver's license may transport more than one sibling under the age of 18.
G. A. C. B.
Answer.
G.
Question 22. In addition to your driver's license and vehicle registration, which of the following will an Arizona police officer request at a traffic stop?
Your social security card. Your passport. Proof of insurance. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
Proof of insurance.
Question 23. If an Arizona driver refuses to submit to a chemical test for drugs or alcohol, he or she will automatically lose his or her driving privileges for a period of
1 year. 3 years. 6 months. 2 years.
Answer.
1 year.
Question 24. Any individual who assists in moving a crash vehicle from the roadway before emergency officials arrive may
be arrested by police. Be required to testify in court. Not be held responsible for damages. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
Not be held responsible for damages.
Question 25. Which of the following could lead to a conviction for road rage?
Passing a vehicle on the right side. Failing to yield to emergency vehicle. Following too closely. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 26. Which of the following is the consequence of using, making, or selling false identification in the state of Arizona?
Driver's license suspension. Jail time. Fines. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 27. Upon the first conviction of knowingly supplying alcohol to a minor, an Arizona driver's license will be suspended for days.
60. 90. 30. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
30.
Question 28. Which of the following driving curfews applies to young drivers who hold a graduated driver's license?
1 a.m. to 7 a.m. 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. 12 a.m. to 6 a.m.
Answer:
12 a.m. to 5 a.m.
Question 29. What is the minimum property damage coverage requirement for automobile insurance policies in the state of Arizona?
$7,500, $50,000, $10,000, $5,000.
Answer:
$10,000.
Question 30. After paying the application fee to obtain an Arizona driver permit or license, how many times may you attempt the driving portion of the exam?
Once. As many times as it takes you to pass. 3 times. Twice.
Answer:
3 times.
Question 31. If property damage results from an automobile accident and the driver fails to stop, how long will his or her license be suspended?
1 year. 6 months. 2 years. 3 months.
Answer:
1 year.
Question 32. If an Arizona driver who is involved in an automobile crash fails to stop when one or more fatalities occur, how long will his or her driver's license be revoked?
5 years. 1 year. 10 years. 2 years.
Answer:
10 years.
Question 33. How long is a graduated instruction permit valid for?
6 months. 12 months. 3 months. 9 months.
Answer:
12 months.
Question 34. What is the minimum age for a Class D operator license in the state of Arizona?
18. 19. 16. 21.
Answer:
18.
Question 35. How long will a graduated driver's license be suspended for upon conviction of 3 or more traffic violations?
Until the age of 18. 3 months. 6 months. 1 year.
Answer:
6 months.
Question 36. Which of the following is the minimum penalty for a first offense of extreme DUI in the state of Arizona?
A fine of $2,500. 30 days in jail. 30 days in jail and a fine of $2,500. 15 days in jail and a fine of $1,250.
Answer:
30 days in jail and a fine of $2,500.
Question 37. Arizona's traffic survival schools
Teach drivers to avoid dangerous driving situations. Improve drivers' attitudes about safe driving. Develop knowledge of traffic laws. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 38. What is the minimum back level required for a conviction of extreme DUI in the state of Arizona?
0.12%, 0.20%, 0.15%, 0.10%.
Answer.
0.15%.
Question 39. In which of the following areas inside a standard passenger vehicle is it legal to store open containers of alcohol?
In the console. Behind the last row of seats in a vehicle without a trunk, cargo area. In the floorboard area. Under the seat.
Answer.
Behind the last row of seats in a vehicle without a trunk, cargo area.
Question 40. Third-party driving schools allow potential Arizona drivers to
obtain a discount on auto insurance. Complete the driver's examination. Remove traffic convictions from their driving records. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
Complete the driver's examination.
Question 41. Once an Arizona driver's license revocation period has ended, the revocation will remain in effect until
the driver contacts the MVD. The driver begins to drive again. The driver renews his or her license. The investigation of the conviction is completed.
Answer.
The investigation of the conviction is completed.
Question 42. Drinking and driving.
Lessens physical control over a vehicle. Lessens a driver's awareness of dangers on the road. Reduces your reflexes. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 43. Which of the following is a penalty for young Arizona drivers who hold a graduated driver's license after they are convicted of their first traffic violation?
Suspension of the license. A $1,000 fine. Suspension from school. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
Suspension of the license.
Question 44. If an Arizona driver who was involved in an automobile crash fails to stop at an accident where minor injuries occur, his or her license will be revoked for a period of years.
1, 3, 2, 4.
Answer.
3.
Question 45. Which of the following must an Arizona driver who was involved in an automobile accident do when he or she stops to render aid?
Provide contact information to all parties involved. Provide medical care until emergency services arrive. Show driver's license for identification purposes upon request. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 46. Which of the following is a characteristic of an aggravated DUI charge?
3 DUI charges within 7 years. Passenger under 15 in vehicle at time of violation. Driver's license is suspended or revoked at time of violation. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 47. An Arizona driver over the age of 21 may be charged with a DUI if his or her back level is
0.05%, 0.20%, 0.08%. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 48. Which of the following endorsements represents a graduated driver's license in the state of Arizona?
G A Y Z.
Answer.
G.
Question 49. If a licensed Arizona driver is convicted of knowingly supplying alcohol to a minor on 2 or more occasions, his or her driver's license will be suspended for
up to 9 months, up to 6 months, up to 90 days, up to 1 year.
Answer.
Up to 6 months.
Question 50. Alcohol involvement in automobile crashes reaches its highest rate in drivers aged
16-20, 21-25, 18-24, 21-34.
Answer.
21-34. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.